Micronutrients are vitamins and minerals. Micronutrients are vital to our well-being and health. The following 6 micronutrients are incredibly essential. They are iodine, vitamin A, vitamin D, zinc, vitamin B9, and iron. Iron is critical for our motor and cognitive development. Vitamin A supports healthy eyesight and immune functions. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium and build strong bones. Vitamin D helps the immune system resist bacteria and viruses. In addition, vitamin D is required for muscle and nerve functions. Our bodies need iodine to make thyroid hormones. Thyroid hormones control the body's metabolism and many other vital functions. Everyone needs folate, vitamin B9, to make new cells every day. Zinc promotes immune functions and helps people resist infectious diseases.